What up, good people? Today is 2-Minute Tip Tuesday. Let's get into this video. So today we're going to talk about the signs of warped rotors. So the first sign is feeling your brakes pulsation. So basically what I mean by that, as in when you're driving at a low speed, you can feel your brakes like going like that on your feet, and it's pulsing, you know. Or if you're driving at a higher speed and you're slamming on your brakes and the brakes is like that, it's vibrating. So that's one of the signs of your brakes is warped. The next sign is feeling your steering wheel shake really hard. What I mean by that is in not at low speeds you will feel your steering wheel shake really hard, but at a higher speed you will feel your steering wheel shake really hard. It'd be like that. So at 40 to 80 miles per hour, you'll feel your steering wheel shake really hard, and that's because your rotors is warped. Another sign is your calipers sticking to your rotors, and as you driving down the street and you're trying to brake and it's not a smooth braking or a hard braking, it's like that, and you will feel it when you're driving the vehicle. It's like that type deal, like your brakes is fighting against the rotors, and so that is your calipers sticking. And yeah. But if you're enjoying this video, go and smash that thumbs up button. If you're not part of the ArtOfSpeedd family, go to that subscribe button. Yo, welcome to the family. I look forward to seeing you next video.